Alrighty, y'all. Who's ready to hear some awesome freaking cars? This guy. I am. We're looking at the Audi Imsa GTO, the Audi Trans Am, the Audi V8 DTM. We're looking at a bunch of Audis, all right, from the 80s. That's basically all you need to know. Now, I've heard plenty of the Group B rally Audis, and yeah, they are incredible. That 5-cylinder, that turbo, that Audi S1 just kind of ruled the dirt and the snow and whatever, didn't it? Now, these cars I am not so familiar with, but I've seen them suggested here and there. This is a Discord suggestion from Fikey Jean Grit, and this is from a channel called Frolics. They will be linked down below so you can watch this whole video and, of course, check out their channel. All right? Let's jump right in, though, okay? I see an awesome car right off the bat. I can tell you that. I love the wheels. That thing looks like a Hot Wheels. Hold on. I don't want to hear the music. There we go. That's I love how the exhaust comes out right here. This thing's a 4-door, super crazy body on it. This thing is awesome. The wheels are so freaking cool. Look at how wide that thing is. Damn. Let's hear this thing, huh? The idle sounded good. Oh, this is gonna be good. Yeah! Look at it chasing down another Audi. This... Oh, damn. Wow, even that front one sounded good. This one sounds damn good, too. That's got to be the V8. Yeah, Audi V8 DTM, perhaps? God, that sounds glorious. This just sounds like a monster. I'm assuming this is either the Trans Am or the Imsa GTO. I love the way it freaking looks. Actually, this one's different than the one we saw at the beginning. Dang, this is crazy. That is absolutely ridiculous. God, they sound so good. Oh my God, that's too quick. Oh, I could listen to those all freaking day. I gotta look these things up. I'm gonna guess that this in the... So it's either one or the other. I'm not sure if this is the Imsa car, the 44 here, or if this is the Trans Am car. But either way, this one and the one at the beginning, that one, that's the 4. The other one's a 44. And then, yeah, those two look similar. Obviously, this 4 car is a little more exaggerated. I'm going to guess that's the Imsa car. And then the other one was Trans Am. Either way, they sounded similar. And I'm going to guess those are 5-cylinders. They kind of sound like the Group B car. Yeah, that is the Audi Imsa GTO, then, the one that was at the beginning, kind of the main car of the video, you could say. That thing is just wild. Let's see. It does make a crazy noise, that's for sure. Yeah, hear that thing? That is just ridiculous. Wow. God, they sound so good. Okay, it says all-wheel drive was banned from the Trans Am series in 1988. Okay, I didn't know that. They switched to Imsa to race its dominant 90 Quattro, sporting a 720 horsepower turbocharged i5. So it was the 5-cylinder. I'm assuming this was related to the motor that was in the Audi, the S1, the rally car. 720 horsepower. That is insane. It ended up winning 7 of 13 races that year. The team had raced at Daytona and Sebring. Chances are it would have taken the constructors. Yeah, I'm sure it would have. It's one of the most memorable Audi race cars ever. I feel like an idiot for not knowing about this thing. This is why I love this channel, though. Why I love this community, because you guys teach me so much. I know about a lot of cars. Trust me. I don't even really get to flex like how much I know. Because I'm always learning about other things. But I do know a lot, and there's still so much I don't know. And this is one of them. I cannot wait to do more research on this. I mean, look at that thing. It is so wicked. Four-wheel drive limo that's stunned. Yeah, that thing is four-wheel drive. It's four-door as well, right? Just crazy looking. Oh, my God. That is such a cool-looking car. Why does that look so freaking cool? I think it's because it's just like the right length. It's like kind of a long car, but not crazy big. It's just like on the bigger side. It's really wide. It's low. And what's funny is I think we all idolize like coupes. Well, maybe this is my American perspective. We idolize like coupes, muscle cars, sports cars, and they're always small, two-door cars. Maybe they're hatchbacks. But that kind of gets all the attention. Whereas seeing low-slung kind of exotic muscular sedan, a four-door like this, is not as common. And I think, to be fair, the proportions are the best on the sedans. This thing looks so freaking good. I absolutely love it. Instant fan of this. I can't believe the freaking sound it makes is just so wicked. And those might be the coolest wheels or rims, whatever you want to call them, that I've ever seen. They are awesome. That car looks like it's from an 80s cartoon, and I mean that in the best way. It is so freaking cool. Well, you know that I absolutely love this Best Sounding Car series. They're few and far between, I know, but they're freaking awesome when they do show up. And this would make the list for sure. This has got to be high on the list. Inline 5s just sound wicked. They're not that common, and when you hear them, they just sound good. And when you're talking about these big turbo cars from the 80s like this, it's unreal. I freaking love it. Although I have to say that Audi V8 DTM car sounded damn good too. Holy smokes. Great suggestions. I want to learn more about this car, and that era is just one of the best anyway. So much more to come. I would love to hear your thoughts on this car and your stories and any specifications you would like to share that we missed here. Please let me know down below. Throw a like on there if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to be part of this amazing community. My name is Ian. You're watching IWrocker. Until next time, y'all. I'll catch you later.